Hello children. So today we will start our chapter number 4 and this chapter is planning. Children, in first chapter of business study, I have explained you about the management. In the concept of management, I have explained you that whenever any business has to be started, the business manager or the enterprise has to appoint the manager and the manager has to go through with certain function. These functions are known as the function of management. I have explained you about the 5 functions also. The first function was planning, the second was organizing, third was staffing, fourth was directing, and fifth was controlling. Now, today we will be starting our chapter number 4, that is the first function of management, and this is known as the planning function. Today in this video, I will explain you about the meaning of planning, the features of planning, and the advantage of planning. Now children, when we talk about planning, we have to take this concept in a form of business. Now whenever any enterprise or any business owner want to start any type of business, he has to think certain things. What type of business he has to start, where he will start the business. When I am talking about where, we are talking about the location. How he will start it, who are the people who will be responsible for starting and working with him. So this is what he is going to start his business, not now, in future, but he has to think about lots of things in present only, right? So deciding in advance what he is doing right now, he is deciding in advance what is to be done, when is to be done, where is to be done, and how and whom it should be done. This process is known as planning. So you can say planning is basically a process of deciding in advance what to be done, when to be done, where to be done, how is to be done, and who is going to do it. So what we are basically doing here, we are filling a gap between present and future. The things which we are going to do in future, we are thinking about all those things in present only. So planning is basically a process which bridge the gap between where we are standing now and where we want to go. Means where we are standing now means present, and where we want to go means the future. Now the next is the feature of planning. Now children, the first feature of planning is planning focus on achieving objective. Now everybody know why we used to plan. Even in our life also, daily life also, we used to plan lots of things. And there is, whenever we plan, there is always a goal behind that. There is always an objective behind that. So whenever the plan has been done from the manager's side or from anyone's side, there is always a purposeful behind that. There is always a purpose behind that. And the main thing for doing the plan is to achieve those objectives and to achieve those goal which has been decided within the plan. So we call planning focus on achieving objective. Now next feature is planning is a primary function of management. Planning is a primary function of management because this is the first function of management which has to be performed by every manager. If the first function of management is not done, that is planning, you cannot go through with the another function of management, that is organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So the primary function of management is planning. The third feature is planning is pervasive. Planning is pervasive basically because it's used in each and every way. If we talk about our business, it is used in each and every, all the activity of our business. Whether this department was related to the purchase department, it's related to sales department, auditing department, marketing department, or any another system. Each and everywhere we require planning. That is the reason we call it a pervasive function. Planning is continuous. Planning is continuous basically means planning is never ending, or it is a continuous function. Till your business is going on, you have to plan. If one plan has been successfully achieved, you have to go through with the second plan. That is the reason we call planning is never ending or continue process, because after making plan also one has to be in touch with the change in the changing environment and in the selection of one best way. Now the next feature is planning is futuristic. This I have already explained you what we are basically doing in the function of planning or in the process of planning. We are thinking about the future in present, means आप future के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, what we have to do, how we have to do. This is all about the future. That is the reason we call planning always means looking ahead, looking in future. It is never for the past. All the managers try to make prediction and assumption for the future. That is the reason we call planning is futuristic. Planning involves decision making. Planning choice making of the best possible alternative out of various alternative. What we used to do in the planning process, we used to think when we will do this particular work, how the particular work will be done, who's going to do this work, and then we got lots of alternative for this. Then we have to select a best alternative from all those things, and selecting a best alternative basically means where a manager has to take decision for that. So we call planning involved decision making. Now these are the features of planning. Now we will go through with the importance of planning. Now when we talk about the importance of planning, we are taking the importance of planning from a business corner. Now what are the importance of planning for the business purpose? The first important is planning provide direction. Now what planning is doing? Planning is basically providing a direction of all the employees, the efforts of all the employees. This is done from the planning side. They tell us what is to be done, when it is to be done, and how it is to be done. So all of us are getting a direction by which we will be able to work properly. The second importance of planning is planning reduce the risk uncertainty. Why risk uncertainty? We have read this earlier also. If you talk about the business environment is uncertain. Changes used to take place time to time over there. And planning help us, a manager, to face the uncertainty, because planner try to force the future for making some assumption. The plan are made to overcome uncertainties. Planning reduce the risk uncertainty basically means whenever any planner or a manager used to make the plan, he think about that the dynamic nature of the business, and according to that only he make the assumptions, he make the prediction, and he used to take out the solution also. So in case there is any uncertainty occurred in future, he can go through with the another plan and the problem can be shot out. The planning reduce overlapping and wasteful activities. Now if everything has been planned from the manager's side, who is going to do what, how much resources will be utilized, so what basically we will be doing here, we will be reducing overlapping and wastefulness. If you will reduce the overlapping and wasteful activities, then what will happen? You will get more and more profit in your business. So planning basically what it did, planning evaluate the alternative use of all available and prospective resources of the business and make their most appropriate use. इसका मतलब प्लानिंग आप क्या करता है, ऑल्टरनेटिव यूजेस देखता है, जितने भी रिसोर्स उसके पास में अवेलेबल होते हैं और उनके अकॉर्डिंग फिर वो उसके प्रॉपर यूज़ करता है ताकि कोई भी रिसोर्सेज उसके वेस्ट ना हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्लानिंग प्रमोट इनोवेटिव आइडिया. Now planning helps the manager to look into the future and make a choice from amongst various alternative course of action. I have told you what planning we used to do. A manager has to take out a best method in the planning. Whenever we used to plan anything in our business, we take out so many methods for doing a particular work. Then it is a decision of a manager that he will select a particular method which is best and which will give more and more profit to the business enterprises. So